Where is she? Oh. Enjoying your summer? Yep. My favorite time of year. Are we going to have fireworks? Fireworks, burgers, and fries. Do we need anything from the garden? We do. To the garden. Before we begin, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers, and for those of you who are new to the channel or don't have a YouTube account, it's really easy to create one. You can subscribe and I'll send you all of my latest videos, and it'll really help my channel grow. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's begin. First, wash and peel the potatoes. Slice them into long wedges. Put them in a single layer on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 20 minutes, flip, and bake for another 15 to 20. Now shred the zucchini with skin on. Peel and dice the mushrooms into very small pieces. Chop the red onion. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Squeeze out all of the liquid from the shredded zucchini. Drain and rinse black beans. Mash with a potato masher. Add some olive oil to your pan. Add the red onion and cook till translucent. This should take a couple minutes. Now add the zucchini. After about a minute, add the mushrooms. Making flax eggs by adding water to ground flax seeds. You'll have to let them sit for 10 minutes. After my vegetables are sauteed, I'm squeezing out the excess water from them. Let this sit for 5 minutes. When cooled, add to the beans. Add flax egg. Coconut aminos, breadcrumbs, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, chipotle powder, and ground black pepper. Mix well and hand knead till well combined. Form mixture into patties. Medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can bake them, pan fry, or even grill them. I'm going with pan frying today. You'll want to cook them for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until brown and crispy. I'm dressing my cheeseburgers with tomato, spinach, and pickles, and a slice of vegan cheese. This is a very fun, easy summer recipe. It is my go-to for any kind of picnic, barbecue, when I'm having friends and family over. They all love them. They're cheeseburgers, they're fries, they can't go wrong. Delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful summer.